Take a Benadryl, buddy. Hi, everybody. Good Thursday morning to everyone. We had a little technical stuff happening here this morning. First thing I want to point out is Canada is putting in its second drive. It's not ideal, but be careful about being short Canada here. US dollar yen still looks heavy to me. And euro really stole the show as exemplified by euro pound. It looks like we will finally get that move towards 80. Who's in the house today? Of course, I'm going to be flat until after the number tomorrow. Hello, Khalid and FX Praise and Abel and Pipper and Goldie, Ricardo, Luca, how are you? Tosin, nice short yesterday. Nice scalp anyway on the S&Ps. Nice work. Who else is here? Ali is here. JM, Sinatra, the Grays, Eileen, Jake, Carl. Welcome to LAR, Carl. Hi, JM. How are you? Everyone doing okay? So I think our community had a good week. As the dollar hemorrhaged, I think most people were on the right side of the weak dollar this week. So don't give up your profits in 10 minutes tomorrow morning. That's my advice. Nice shot yesterday in the S&P, Tosin, at the 2070 level. The Grays are here. Hi, Abby, Brooke, how are you? JM, nice to see you. Luca, are you new? Welcome, Luca. Carrie's here, Vol Guide, BW. Welcome back, Eileen. Lee, Jake, Ali. Jax, how are you, buddy? Dion, welcome back. So what do you guys think going into the NFP tomorrow? I think we're getting closer to this sell-off in Canada being complete. I'd like to see one more decent rally and then one more low. But it looks like we have the beginnings of a 3 drive to a bottom formation into Canada. Here was one, confirm low. Here we diverge, not that healthy. It is a divergence, though. I'm a player coach, Dion. Rick, how are you? Is Rick in the house? Yeah, there's Rick. How are you, buddy? Ziggy here. Saw some tweets from Alien this morning, so looks like he's getting back in the saddle. Our interview today is with Mike Van Dulken. He's with Accendo Markets in London, head of research. So we'll get a view from across the pond today. Everyone doing okay? Hello, Brooke. So none of my views have really changed. Yesterday, I pointed out that the pound was diverging, and Goldie took a short up here. He's looking for 42.5. So we had this little 3 drive here in the pound, and so far a failing rally. I think we could see 42.50, 42.50 in the pound. That's the way it looks to me. Get some type of ABC to 42.5. Okay, Dion. So you guys don't have to agree with me, but do you see it? We had 1, 2, 3, glaring divergence. This could be A, B, C down to 2.5. Got a tweet from Goldie yesterday that he got short up there. Correct, Goldie? So we noticed the pound losing its strength against the euro here yesterday. The pound peaked and the euro continued to the upside. Still no divergences. Okay. Good hunting on that. Okay. Guppy under the 200. What time frame? Here's a 1 hour. What time frame? Not on the 1 hour. 15-minute. Here's a look from Luca on Kiwi. Looking for 71.40. Thank you, Luca. I'm going to thank Luca for his view on Kiwi. Potential to the upside to 71.40. Thank you, Luca. Thank you, Luca. Everyone thank Luca for that Kiwi look. Okay, Rick. Okay, thanks for the update. How are you, Praise? Nice to see you back. Jake, what's up? Eileen, I hope Laura is adding value to your trading experience at FX Street. Same to you, Carl. Hello, Ali. Yeah, because of terrorism. Okay, 40.50. Hello, Ron. How are you, partner? Ron the Dutch in the house. So everyone see this in Canada? You know, and then you start to get a bit of a falling wedge look in Canada. Something like this. I think this is a picture in Canada. We do some work in here. We get a third drive to 28.5, and then you buy it. Hello, Ali. How are you? I wouldn't be too aggressive. Here's Goldie's look in the pound. Still structurally believes in it, even though it could pop one more time. The 44.5. Still thinks 42's in the cards. Thanks for the update, Goldie. I want to thank Goldie for his update on his pound trade. He reversed late in our session yesterday. Thank you, Goldie. Hey, Luca, what do you got? short at 43.10. Buy. So you just wait to get triggered on these levels. Thank you, Luca. I believe this is Luca's trading plan for tomorrow on cable. I want to thank Luca for his look ahead till tomorrow and sharing his plan with us. Thank you, Luca. I want to thank Luca for sharing his trading plan a day ahead of time. First day of new option for June gold. Okay. Let me know what you see. If you see things coming into some open interest building in the 1100s. 1100 strike, Ali. Brute's got to look. The gold still at the triangle. Measures up here again. Thank you, Brooke. Got it. Thank you, Brooke. Okay. Another one from Luca. Another gold look. Looking for 1325, 1385. Okay. We could put in a right shoulder, though. We'll see. Or a third drive. I don't know if the third drive would take it to 1385. Okay. Thank you, Luca, Brooke, for your shares. Hello, Sinatra. So everyone thank Luca and Brooke for their gold looks. Thank you, guys. Couple more. Here's one from Goldie. Euro. Euro. Okay. Nothing stopping it. And FX praise. Euro CAD. Buy on break, sell on breakdown. Thank you, praise. Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, praise. Thank you, everyone. Oh, Rick's got his buy area in Canada here. Getting close. I agree, Rick. We're getting close. We have our second drive here, 2760, 820. Previous tops, previous retest, trend line. A lot of confluence there, Rick. Nice look in Canada. I want to thank Rick for that confluent look at USD CAD. Yeah, that's what I mean. Thank you, Rick. Nice look. Alexandros. I like this. Right at the cloud. Thank you, Alex. I'm going to thank Alex. Nice Ichimoku look here. Ichimoku, whatever it is, Cocoa Puffs. Thank you, Alex. Okay, Goldie smells it. Thank you, Alex. Nice look there. Everyone doing all right? I'm cuckoo. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Are you, Goldie? Ichimoku, Coco, Ichimoku. Ichimoku. So this will qualify for the second drive here, even though it's under 30, it's qualifying. So we get a bounce and then maybe one more decline in Canada down here. What do you guys think? Looks like it's setting up for a buy around 28.50 after one more pop down here, 28.50 maybe. Yeah. Oh, the Swiss. So that means the dollar decline might be over here, huh? Looks like a two driver in Swiss right here. Okay. Interesting look. Don't be short the Swiss at the minimum, right? Thank you, Brooke. Everyone doing all right? A lot of good looks for the day before the NFP. I just advise people to be flat. into the NFP. My guest today is Mike Van Dulken. He's with Accendo Markets. Anyone ever hear of Accendo Markets or Mike Van Dulken? They're out of London. He's been interviewed on the BBC, BNN, CNBC, head of research. Anyone ever hear of Accendo Markets? Any of you guys in the UK? It's a cool name, Accendo. You've heard of them, Pipper? Okay. Good analyst? Good analyst? Okay, buddy. We'll get out our pom-poms. Any views on Euro Aussie? Someone showed Euro Kiwi yesterday, Brew. I don't remember who, but someone did show that. You know, it really didn't do much. You got me. It was you? Okay. All right, Rick's still short pound Kiwi. Thank you, Rick. So it's got a standard 209. It's got a shot to 206, 202, 204. Looks like almost 2. Thank you, Rick. Yeah. Everyone thank Rick for his pound Kiwi look. Thank you, Rick. Thanks, Rick. I'm going to take a 5-minute break. Yeah, I was too, Brew. It should have done it with the dollar weakening, but yeah. So I'm going to take a 5-minute break. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Feel free to continue on sharing your screenshots, your ideas. You know me, guys. I take short breaks. So thank you, everyone, for your great shares so far this morning. I'll be back in 5. Nice work, Larians. Yeah, Aussie's starting to look heavy. Nice look, Brooke. I see it pointed out the divergence. Maybe one more high. 1, 2, 3, maybe one more. Nice look, Brooke. Apex Praise has a look. A bearish look on pound dollar. Sell on break. Pretty deep objectives. Thank you, Praise. Here's Jake. Thanks for sharing, Jake. Haven't seen anything from you in a while. Looks like a 3 driver here. Pound CAD. Yeah, I wouldn't be short this thing right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, MACD for divergence. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Praise. Thank you, Jake. Everyone thank Jake for his share. He doesn't do it that often, so encourage him. So thank you, Alexandros and Brute and Praise and Jake. Encourage Jake to share more. Looks like he has some nice stuff. Thank you, Praise, on your bearish look in the pound. And Brooke, maybe one more drive in Aussie. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you, Rick. Okay, strong number on the purchasing managers. Rick's look at the S&P. Okay. Thank you, Rick. Aussie yen group. Looks like an ascending triangle. Thank you, guys. Something from Goldie, something different. Buy it at 160, looking for 170. Thank you, Goldie. There's a pretty bullish view. And that's 61.8 is at 170. Thank you, Goldie. Nice look. Thank you, guys. Everyone doing okay? So live coverage of the NFP will begin an hour early tomorrow. I believe it's going to be Mauricio, Val, Yohei, Adam Button, and me tomorrow. We'll see. Everyone doing all right? So we should have our interview starting in around 20 minutes. Everybody stick around to hear Mike Van Dulken out of London. Hi, Fab. How are you, buddy? So I understand people not being aggressive, less than 24 hours away from the NFP, trying to force a trade into a tight time window. Not worth it, in my view. Glad to hear. Who had a good week? Give me a Y if you had a good week. Doesn't only have to be measured by pips. Who had a good week? What was the highlight of your week? Want to share that with the community? What was the highlight of each of your weeks? Your week. Like your tweets, Goldie, keep them coming. Sinatra, keep your tweets coming. Brooke had a great week. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Not envious at all. Just happy and glad for you. So, what are the highlights of your week, guys? Ladies, just in case Fame is here. Move. I'm sure Jerry Brown would like you to pay 9% state income tax on your trading gains. You want me to call Jerry Brown, the governor? Don't expect perfection at the crap table, but you got it, huh? Good for you, Brooke. I'm not expecting much to happen today in front of the NFP. Close enough for government work, Rick. Nice trading, Rick. I'm going to give Rick the Man Award for a short pound Kiwi trade. Rick, you win another Man Award. How about that? Except I don't think Brooke has won one. Have you, Brooke? So I'm going to be like Donald Trump and change my mind. Congratulations, Rick. But Brooke said he had a perfect week, so you're the man, Brooke. Congratulations, Brooke. This is your first Man Award. Yeah, you win. Rick has won 1,000,000 of them. Congratulations, Brooke. You're a man. I could change my mind if he can. Thank you, Rick, for sharing your trades. Anyone else have a thank you for Rick? Especially if you took it. How about a thank you for Rick? Give me why if you love Rick. Good one, Luca. Look at all that love, Rick. Who else loves Rick? Give me a why if you love Ricardo Dinger. The Argentinian master trader. He used to be a bullfighter, and now he's an FX fighter. Look at that, Rick. 5 people love you. Only 5 love Rick? Who else loves Rick? Give me a why if you do. Come on. Even though you're a man, you could say, I love you. It's okay. You'll still be masculine. Come on, show Ricardo the love. How about showing Goldie the love on all his great calls? There you go. See? It doesn't hurt. There you go. Ali loves you. Really loves you. Sinatra, too. Stand by for our interview. Everyone doing okay? Show me the money. Yeah. Oh, come on, Goldie. I love you, Goldie. Come on, man. Say it. You have to say you love somebody in here today. Glad to have you be part of our community, JM. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Hello, double A. Goldie's got an Aussie yen idea here. Learner's back in the house. Double A's back with us. Mark S is here. BW. Jax, how are you? Deanna, how's it going? The Grays, how are you? You have a chart? I don't see a link. Nice to meet you, Mark. You've been here before, though, right, buddy? Mark, you've been here. Stick around for Mike Van Dulken at Accendo Markets. Yeah, no one's going to do much. Okay. Just wait till tomorrow, guys. So if you miss something between now and after the NFP, so what? Just let things reset. Rate surfers don't try and catch every wave. They too wait for setups. You could go out, you could leave, shut your laptop off and go enjoy the day and get ready for the arena tomorrow. What do you think of that idea? Someone took me up on it. Someone left. Okay, so thank you, Goldie. Oh, Goldie. Aussie Yen Goldie. I didn't see that. Okay. Big break coming. An Aussie Yen. That's a big break. Into May. So risk off, Aussie Yen going down. I like this. And I know what it implies too. Thank you, Goldie. I want to thank Goldie for his Aussie Yen daily. He has a pretty deep downside target there. I like those charts. Looking for 76 new lows. Yeah, that's right, Tosin. You know what it means. Really? Okay. I don't know anything. I know nothing. I know nothing. Just waiting for Mike to join us. That's one of them. I think we could fail up here at 2080 and not make a new high and go down. But 2235, it's Peter Goodburn's target, maybe by July. Then 1690. I still think there's a chance that we fail up here and go down from April high into June, July low. Just a guess. That's all I do. Okay. So we get a pullback to 1970 and then new highs into August. Is that what you're thinking? We get a pullback of this rally, and then we rally up into August. 1930. Okay. I do pretty well on a break back down to 1930. I believe that, Ali. Thank you, Tosin. Jake, thank you. Ali, thank you. Thank you, each and every one of you. Okay. Everyone doing okay? Still waiting for Mike. Okay. Good theories, Tosin. Cheers, Luca. Everyone hanging in there for this interview with me. See if I can get Mike to share some ideas with us today. Looks like the pound wants to go back to Goldie's initial entry here. QE. QE, QE, QE. Will you be here later on? QE, QE, QE. To keep the bull market going on. Keep pumping money, cause the economy just won't grow. Keep on pumping liquidity, cause manufacturing's slow. QE, QE, QE. Keep pumping money into the world. QE, QE, QE. I don't know what we'd do without you. QE, QE. I'm losing it. There's a QE sighting. Quaaludes. Everyone doing all right? Waiting for our interview. So if Rick's right and the S&Ps go to 2100, all I could say is this. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. Ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. But I ain't scared cause I still believe the call. Never said I was perfect, that would be a lie. Never said I was perfect, that would be a lie. But I'm alright and wrong and I can look you in the eye. Watch me fly. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and maybe a margin call. It ain't nothing but a drawdown or a margin call. Cry, Jax, cry, baby. But I ain't scared cause I still believe the S&Ps will fall someday in my lifetime. Jackson cry. $28.50. Yeah, I think someone showed a look for 29 the other day. Yeah. Looks like 29. Everyone doing okay? Well, Mike's late. Haven't heard from him. Let's see if I gave addenda the right. Addenda, is this the email address you sent it to? That's the email address you sent me on Twitter this morning. Okay, be patient. We'll be patient. Okay. Gladiator School. Yes, Vicky's very good at fundamentals. Yes, put on your battle dress, Pipper, for tomorrow. I'll send him a message. Thanks for the tweets, Goldie. Goldie, I just retweeted your stuff. So if anyone like Goldie or Sinatra or Ricardo or Alien, any of you guys want to tweet your stuff in my stream, you guys are welcome to do it. You know, if you want people to see your work on Twitter, I think I have, well, 10, 11,000 followers. So if you want your stuff to show up on Twitter and I retweet it, and it's very good visibility for you guys. And also it helps me too, makes my stream more interesting than it just being my ideas. People ask me, Dale, why do you tweet other people's work or recommend they follow somebody besides yourself? And I say to them, what's the cost of saying thank you, validating people for their great work, or if someone's not that well known, lifting them up so that people notice them. So that's why I do that. Plus, I'm not worrying about losing a subscription or a customer, because people could do whatever they want to do as far as I'm concerned. Live and let live. But it's always been my mission to build up and edify traders every day here in LAR. I also attempt that on Twitter. So guys, if you want to tweet in my stream, that's my handle. You're welcome to. Okay, so we didn't even get a bounce off this second drive here in Canada. Everyone doing okay? What kind of fool am I that's picking the top in the S&Ps? Well, it worked for me last year, early in the year, and it can work again on a pullback to 1930, which would be about 61.8 back, as Tosin's saying. I expect the VIX to get back to 20 on that, but we shall see. Did everyone like Janet's speech the other day?
Yeah, I told you that it might be that the globe is pretty weak, and I don't know why we tightened in December, but we did. So now we're gonna wait. We'll wait and see how things go. As Goldie says, the data has to be much, much better. I hope maybe, like if we get a good number tomorrow in the jobs, then maybe I'll put it back on the table for June. But anyway, right now, I don't know what. I wish my Fed governors would stop talking like hawks. They should be more like doves, don't you think? All my Fed governors talking too much. I'm the boss of the Fed. I'm the boss. They should listen to me and not make so many speeches. It makes me kind of mad. It makes me a little bit angry. They don't respect me because I'm a woman. They never did that to Ben. How come they do that to me? They didn't do that to Ben or Alan. It's because I'm a girl. They do that to me because I'm a girl. Those mean boys.
Oh, too bad. I really wanted to have a conversation with Mike today. Good one, Goldie. You got Fed speak down, bro. Good one, Goldie. Dollar strength to go up in a downward fashion. Oh, thank you, Goldie. That was a belly laugh. Oh, oh, my stomach hurts. You got her. You got Fed. I nominate Goldie for Fed chairman. He's got the rap down. Definitely. Definitely has the rap down. So I don't know what happened. Let's see, he may still show. It's still one short Canada down here. I think Mike's going to show up now. Just a hunch. Good one, Goldie. Yeah. So we're going to be starting an hour early tomorrow. Going to have the full crew, the Motley crew, covering the NFP tomorrow. Starting off with, what was that Spanish name or Italian name for the Godfather? Mauricio El Padrillo or something like that. Yeah. All right, let me just do a quick wrap up. So we're approaching that level in Euro USD, not quite there, but for a few weeks I was saying I thought we could go 14.50, 15. You know, we're almost there. We could be there tomorrow. Pounds lagging, pounds of preferred short on strength tomorrow. Yen still looks bad to me. I'd look to be a seller back at 61.8s around 113.12 if we get something like that to 13.20 on this back test line here. I think it was something like this. So if we get a strong number tomorrow into the NFP Padrino, okay, El Padrino, thank you, Luca. I'll kiss Mauricio's ring tomorrow before the NFP. So I want to thank everyone. We had a lot of good looks today, nice contributions. I think Lar was pretty much on the right side of things today. Thank you, Adinda. Luca, thank you for all your thoughts, looks. FX Goldie, thanks for making me laugh my ass off today with your mind reading of Janet Yellen and great chart looks. And Rick, thank you again, buddy. Congrats on the pound kiwi and everything else. Brooke, great to have you in our community. Abel, I love you, buddy. Dion, FX Praise, great to have you back on a regular basis. Praise. If you guys are glad to have Praise back with us on a more regular basis, give me a Y. I certainly am. There's my Y. Sinatra, love you, buddy. Fab, Jake, JM, Ibby, Double A. Hope Laura's helping you out. The Grays, thanks for stopping in and hanging out with us. The Grays, Mark S, BW, Eileen, D. Kadick, Ali, Mauricio, and there's a new handle, Chooch, Choo-Choo. Chooch, welcome to LAR. Join us tomorrow for our live coverage of the NFP. So it'll be starting at 8 a.m. Central Time. Is that correct, Mauricio? You have a link to register for the NFP presentation tomorrow. Adinda, do you have a link to register? You don't have to, but just in case you do. And that'll be starting an hour earlier than LAR. And I believe Adam Button's going to join us, and Val, and Yohei, and Mauricio, and Janet Yellen might stop by for a guest appearance. She might have a comment after the NFP is released tomorrow. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone, for your great shares and looks today. And see you bright and early, 5 a.m. here in San Diego. Tomorrow I'll be up with before the roosters crow, like I am every day. And thanks again for making this one of the best or the best place to hang out for a few hours and discuss markets. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.